Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another one of Kaydina Craftbox YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about the angels that are descending on the Laylatul Qadr night. One of the Laylatul Qadr nights. Laylatul Qadr night is on an odd night. 21st, 23rd, 25th, 27th or 29th. The most likely is the 27th. What do we do on the night of Laylatul Qadr? On the night of Laylatul Qadr we are in worship of Allah. At this time, the angels are going to descend. They're going to descend on every household that are in worship of Allah. We want the angels to come and descend and give us salam in our house while we are in worship. Our deeds are going to be maximised more than 1,000 months. Wow, that's loads. And our sins from the past are forgiven, inshallah. We want the angels to stop at our house. So we are creating an angels stop here sign. This very simple but meaningful activity is something that every household can have on their side, on their wall, on their mantelpiece, on their fireplace. It will help the children with a little more understanding about the angels stopping at their house on the night of Laylatul Qadr. Give it some meaning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Print out an octagon and type the word stop to appear like a highway sign. Do it in red. Cut out your octagon, put the template over the card and draw around. Cut out the card. Glue cotton wool on the card for a soft heavenly look. Cut strips of red card, go around the octagon shape as a border on the outside. Print off an angel from your Google search and cut around. Use this as a template on silver card. I've got silver shimmer. You can use gold if you want to. And then I'm cutting this out. I'm placing this in the centre of my octagon. And then I'm cutting out the letters for stop. I'm gluing this and placing this on top of the angel. Cut around the octagon to neaten off any of the cotton wool. This should now appear as angel stop here. Decide where you want to put this. This one is going on the fireplace. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Like, comment, share and subscribe.